Hi, I'm the founder and director for Common Knowledge Trust. We're New Zealand based, and it houses all of the Birthing Better online courses. I also developed these skills with hundreds of families in the early 1970s. I've spent 50 years of my life carrying forward skills that hundreds of families developed, men and women equally. That says something. Welcome to the complete course of skills. It's composed of 3 skill sets: the breath, language, and touch, the body skills, and the soft skills. We've organized the material so you can approach the skills from your individual pregnancy and coming births circumstances and situation. You are an individual, and yet once you are pregnant, you join this very exclusive group of other pregnant women. And 100% of you are going to give birth one way or another. And the families who developed these skills with me in the early 1970s wanted skills for their birth. As you approach this material, think of it in 2 ways. If you're the pregnant woman, learn the skills you want. If you're a birth coaching dad or other, learn the skills you want. Your jobs are different. They're equally important, which means you need to come to these skills from your unique role and the skills you need for that role.